Okay, this video is just a demonstration video to show you how the um, the app that we use to do the designs, how it works. Um, it's a really good computer program that creates 3D designs professionally, and when the work is done, it's very realistic. It's called ArchiTouch 3D. So basically, what it is um, it uses real measurements. So I'm going to open um, a design that I'm doing for a church. So the way it works is, as you can see on this wall over here, the total length of the wall is 28 feet. It shows you the width of the windows, the size of the room, the square footage and everything. You know, the size of the kitchen and the pantry, the width of the walls, the width of the shelves. So now, when you go in, the part that we were looking was here on the second floor. So yes, right here. Yeah, so that's the kitchen that you were looking at. And this is the dining room. This is the pantry. This is the living room. And the other living room with the TV, right? Then that's the layout, and this is what it looks like on 3D. All right. Now, if I go up on the second floor, Master Suite 1, Master Suite 2. Go on 3D, you go up. That's where the Master Suite 2 is, and the Master Suite 1. And then if you want to go in to see where the bathrooms are, that's a walk-in closet actually. This is the bathroom, and this is the other bathroom on the other side. And you look again, here, the bathroom that we were just looking at, the other bathroom here. And then you can also have an overall look of the whole building. There's a lot to show. I'm not gonna make this a long video, but this other side of the building here is where the chapel is. So if I go down here, you see the garage, the chapel. That's what you're looking at right now. Okay, so if you look from the top, so that's what the design can do. I mean, there's obviously other options, smaller jobs. Let me try to show you something I did recently. we're getting a lot of requests for ADU. This one, for an example, is an ADU. This one is about 900, a little less than 900 square feet. This is a detached ADU. So we made a full bathroom in the middle, the two bedrooms, one on each side. One of the bedrooms has a walk-in closet right here. Full kitchen with a dining room, open concept. You know, this one I did not add the roof yet because to make it easy for the client to see what it looks like from the top. Again, that's the basement level. That's the main floor. Okay, so I guess you have an idea of what this design program can do and what we're trying to offer